Hi friends, if TV supports screen mirroring, we need to open screen mirroring app. If TV supports Google Chromecast, we have to enable Google Chromecast. So this TV supports screen mirroring. So let me open miracast app. So I am going to open mirroring app. Then keep this screen on. Then in mobile phone, we need to open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Then select screencast. Then enable screencast. Tap here. So now it's searching for nearby devices. You can see it showing Android TV that has Google Chromecast. Then Fire TV stick that has miracast. So let me select Fire TV stick. See, now it's connecting. Please wait. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. So if you want to disconnect, again we need to go to screencast settings. Then we can tap here, tap on this icon. See, now it's disconnecting. Please wait. See, done. So please try it.